Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm sharing a prize that I won from Gloria over at Girlia's Cards. She had a giveaway on one of her videos and I was one of the lucky winners. It's funny because her and I used to do blogging with our crafts back in the day. Like, I know I started blogging back in 2009 and we connected way back then, and then we reconnected again recently on YouTube. So I think that's really funny. It's such a small world. But Gloria, thank you so much for this prize. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Ooh, lots of goodies. All right, so let's see. I will link her channel down below, but she made these beautiful lighthouses and the ocean and the bay. These are Rolodexes. These are so fun. This cute anchor, I love that. And that's like a card. Look, she even like inked the edges. I grew up on Long Island in New York, right by the water. And I don't know if you've seen in my craft room, I will actually pull my camera down after I film this and show you the pictures of the lighthouse that I grew up by. Look at how fun that is. She has like acetate in there, and that's in the middle. Such nice detailing. Gloria, these are beautiful. This was like the prize. It is a Spellbinders tag die. It's a great size. It says thanks. It has like the tabs for the hole and little trims. I don't have this, so thank you so much. Excited to be adding that to my stash. This is, so it says, great job, I rule you. I think maybe this is a backpack, and we have the ruler and the paintbrush there, some glasses. So I think this is a backpack. I'm gonna be testing this out. Thank you so much for sharing this extra die with me. I love dies. Oh, and look, here's another card. Her card to me. Look at how cute that is. So many details. I love the paper. Thank you so much for that sweet note. I appreciate that. Your card is adorable. And then she's also shared this Spellbinder, so Nautical. That was the word I was trying to think about, and I couldn't get it to come into my brain. This is Nautical. This is amazing. I love this so much. It has like the little base and the lighthouse. It's got the waves and some shells, an anchor. So sweet. Thank you, Gloria. Thank you so much for all of these amazing goodies and for all the extras that you have sent my way. I appreciate it so much. And guys, real quick, I'm going to show you, let's see. So like up on my crafts room wall, here is the bottle that I found in the ocean off the island. There's the lighthouse. And then on this side is where I grew up on the island with the lighthouse. And then there's the picture of the lighthouse that we took when I was a kid. I'm definitely pulled towards like nautical things. I love them so much. They bring back a lot of memories for me. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. And I will link Gloria's channel down below. Thanks guys. Bye.